surgery day, and I am super excited. Let's go inside these front doors. Now that we're inside, my parents and I go check in at the front desk. After I get checked in, I get to sit wherever I want in these comfy chairs. Now that we waited a little bit, they will bring us into the registration room where my parents talk to the hospital worker about my surgery. Then they give me this cool wristband. Now that we are done talking to the hospital worker, we are going to follow this guide to the elevators. The elevator doors are going to close to keep us safe on our fun ride to the second floor. We exit the elevator and we sit in the chairs to wait for the nurse to come get me. This might take a little bit. After my name gets called, I follow the nurse with my parents to get weighed on the scale. Then I get to go to my very own room to get ready for my surgery. I sit down and the nurse does some tests to make sure I'm ready for surgery. The nurse will put a thermometer under my tongue or across my forehead. The thermometer will beep, and the nurse will take it out. It kind of tickles a little bit. The nurse will put a blood pressure cuff on my arm. This might make a noise or a beep. It will give your arm a big hug. The nurse will put a light on my finger to measure my breathing. This will not hurt. On the bed, there is a gown, some socks, and a cap. I go ahead and put these on. Depending on what surgery I'm having, I might get to keep my own clothes on. After I change into my new clothes, I put all my clothes and everything I came with into a bag. But don't worry, I'll get everything back after the surgery. My family waits with me while I sit in the bed. The nurse gives me this cute panda bear, or a Levi the lion. They are so soft. I get to meet my doctor and ask them any questions. If you didn't know yet, this bed I'm on has wheels. Before I go, I say bye to my parents. Big kids only beyond this point. The nurse is going to push the bed in the operating room. It's the place where I lay down where all the doctors do my surgery. Being pushed on the bed is kind of fun. When I get into the surgery room, I see many machines. Some have bright lights and some make noises. I see people with masks, hats, and operating suits. I know these are safe people and will make sure I'm happy. They help me move to a different bed that has a warm blanket. It feels really soft. They might put a strap across my lap to keep me safe. It doesn't hurt at all. A nurse will give me this cool looking mask. It kind of smells like bubblegum. I put the mask on and I take some breaths. This helps me fall asleep. I am now awake in another room after the surgery. I might have stickers or tubes attached to me. I will keep them on because they help me and keep me safe. Don't worry though, a nurse will remove them before I leave. The nurse gives me a yummy snack and something to drink. This drink tastes really good. The nurse brings in my parents. Hi, Mom. I get to sit in a wheelchair, and a guide will push me outside with my parents. My surgery went really well. Yours will too. This is Isaac. Thanks so much for watching my video.